Hello, I'm Ruby. Today, I'll cover 6 Shopify apps that can help improve your Shopify store's conversion rate in 2026. First, let's quickly define what the conversion rate means. Conversion rate is the percentage of people who visit your store and end up placing an order. For example, if 1,000 people visit your store and 30 people buy, your conversion rate is 3%. According to Dynamic Yield, the average global e-commerce conversion rate is around 2.66%. But this number can change a lot depending on your product category. For example, Shopify reports that beauty and personal care stores can reach around 4.9%, while food and beverage stores can reach around 6.2%. As a general rule, many e-commerce stores fall somewhere between 1% and 4%. If your conversion rate is lower than the baseline, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through 6 useful Shopify apps that can help you find friction, improve the shopping experience, and give visitors more reasons to buy. Firstly, a gift with purchase offer is a smart way to boost conversion rates. Think about this. A shopper has spent a few minutes browsing your products, comparing options, and finally adds something to their cart. Then, a gift is automatically added to her cart or displayed through a gift pop-up. That small surprise makes the offer feel more valuable, giving shoppers extra reason to check out faster. And that's exactly where BOGOS, a trusted promotion Shopify app, rated at 5 out of 5 stars across 3,800 plus reviews, can help improve your store's conversion rate. Besides free gifts, BOGOS allows you to create bundles, volume discounts, and upsells at high-intent buying moments like the checkout page or the thank you page from one dashboard. So you have more ways in a single app to test, which fit with your customers' needs and help increase CR. Another useful feature is the progress bar. For example, in the cart drawer, it can show a message like, "You're $27.10 away from a free gift." This motivates customers to complete the goal to get rewarded. Finally, BOGOS gives you many targeting options, like order history, customer tag, specific market, or direct links, so you can reach the right people and get the best conversions. Next is Judge.me. This app helps you collect and display customer reviews, star ratings, photos, and video reviews across your product pages and collection pages. This is important because when someone lands on your store for the first time, they may not know your brand yet. They need proof that other customers have already bought your product and had a good experience to decide whether to buy or not. Another useful feature is that Judge.me allows you to import reviews from Etsy, Google, Meta, and Amazon. And if your product has a lot of reviews, Judge.me also offers AI review summaries. The app can also automatically send review request emails after someone buys, so you can keep collecting new reviews without manually following up with every customer. Now, even with solid customer reviews, sometimes there is still one question standing between a shopper and the buy button. Maybe they want to know how the sizing runs. Maybe they are asking about shipping time, return policy, product ingredients, or which option is right for them. And if they cannot get a quick answer, many shoppers will simply leave. Tidio helps close that gap. It adds live chat and an AI agent called Lyro directly to your store. Lyro can answer common customer questions instantly, even when your team is offline. This is especially helpful for stores that receive repeated questions before purchase. Instead of making customers wait for a reply, Tidio gives them support at the moment they are most interested in buying. Before fixing any technical issue in the store, you need to know what is actually broken. Your analytics can tell you that people are leaving before checkout, but they do not always tell you why. That is exactly where Lucky Orange helps. With session recordings, you can watch how real shoppers move through your store, where they scroll, where they pause, and where they get stuck. For example, if people keep rage-clicking a button that does not work, or skipping an important section on your product page, Lucky Orange helps you spot that problem faster. Its heat maps also show which parts of a page get the most attention and which parts are being ignored. On top of that, Lucky Orange has an AI assistant that can help analyze customer feedback and identify possible reasons why shoppers leave your site. So if you are not sure where your conversion problem starts, Lucky Orange is a good app to begin with. Next, let's talk about product discovery. This is a moment many stores underestimate. When someone types into your search bar, they are basically telling you exactly what they want. That makes search one of the highest intent moments on your store. But here is the problem. The default Shopify search can be limited. If shoppers make a typo, they may end up seeing 0 results, and a dead-end search can easily become a lost sale. Boost AI. Search and Filter replaces that with a smarter search experience. It can understand search intent better, fix spelling mistakes, suggest related products, and handle more natural search queries. That means shoppers do not need to know your exact product name to find what they are looking for. You also get merchandising controls, so you can easily pin your heroes. Or let shoppers track unavailable products based on your campaigns, margins, or inventory. And with search analytics, you can see your top searches and 0 result terms to see where customers may be struggling to find products. This app is especially useful if your store has a large catalog, many collections, or products that customers search for in different ways. You have to remember, shoppers often decide in just a few seconds after landing on your site. That means your store page's design structure, especially the product pages, plays a huge role in driving conversions. This is where GemPages, the final CRO tool of this list, comes in. The app lets you create and customize your store landing pages without coding. What I really like about it is the speed. You can test a new layout, a new campaign message, or a new product page today, instead of waiting weeks for a developer. It comes with hundreds of templates, plus CRO elements like countdown timers, stock counters, bundles, and before and after sections. There is also an AI builder that can turn an image or URL into a ready-to-edit page, and built-in A/B testing so you can compare different versions and let your visitors show you which one works better. Conversion rate optimization is not the same formula for all stores. You need to review your customer journey to know where they drop off, and then use the right method at each single stage to enhance it. Of course, third-party apps only work best when your store foundation is already solid. If your design looks messy, your branding is weak, and your layout isn't intentional, even great tools are not going to perform at their full potential. That's all for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. I am Ruby from BOGOS Trusted Promotion App on Shopify. See you in the next one.